It's amazing what people get off on YouTube. They like to see things smashed up. So here's my Lamborghini Murcielago, or however you say it, which is going to be destroyed within 60 seconds. Now this thing's probably worth $250,000. Goodbye Lamborghini. Oh, that's well made, this one. Look at the chassis on that. There, that's what the viewers want to see. Things smashed up. How sad and pathetic is that? There you have it. One destroyed Lamborghini. And I don't think the gold wing doors are going to work anymore. Yeah.